Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at how to make ChatGPT text sound more human. Start by opening ChatGPT in one tab and asking it to write an article, for example, the benefits of morning walks. Once the text is ready, open a new tab and go to zerogpt.com. Paste the ChatGPT text there to check how much of it is detected as AI generated. Most of the time, the score will be very high, meaning it still sounds robotic. Next, open a new tab and go to summarizer.org. Select the standard paraphrasing mode, paste the ChatGPT text, and click Paraphrase. After a few seconds, the site generates a new version that sounds more natural. Copy this new version and test it again on zerogpt.com. The AI score should drop quite a bit. For an even more human feel, stay on summarizer.org and switch to the AI Humanizer tool. Choose Advanced Mode, paste the paraphrased text, and click Humanize. The tool will refine the writing further, making it smoother and more like natural human language. Finally, test this last version one more time on zerogpt.com. The score should now be very low, showing that the text reads as human written. If your score is still high, you can repeat the process again and again until the score gets lower. And that's it. Thanks for watching.